Double the marshmallows and double the fun. These Valentine's Rice Krispies are the ultimate holiday treat. Welcome back into Studio 5. I'm Amy Iverson, and Alyssa Bybee joins me with this recipe for how to make the pink cereal treats everyone wants to snack on. And you say these are the best. Why? What makes them the best?
So these are my favorite Rice Krispie treats.
Okay.
And for me, the best Rice Krispie treats have tons of marshmallow. So we've got marshmallow coming in 3 different ways here. We've got marshmallow melted down with butter, you know, your standard formula for Rice Krispie treats. But then we're gonna add in marshmallow cream, and then we're gonna add in extra mini marshmallows for maximum marshmallow madness here.
Well, and that's the thing I had never heard of, the marshmallow cream. And what does adding like the extra marshmallows, how does that change or make it better?
It definitely makes them more gooey and soft. You know, you don't get that like rock hard Rice Krispie treat. It's gonna keep them soft for days and just really adds that like really luscious marshmallow feel in your mouth.
Well, I love marshmallow cream, so I can't imagine that I'm not gonna like these. Okay, so do you have any tips for when I'm like making these? I always just slather my hands in butter. Do you have a better way, or is that what you do too, to make sure it doesn't stick to you?
I usually just use cooking spray and I'll spray my hands. It's just a little, it's just fast, and I already usually have it out to grease my pan out there, and then I'll use that to kind of pat down the Rice Krispies so they're not sticking to my hands.
Okay, that's actually probably a little bit better than, than the way I'm doing it. Okay, so how are we putting these together?
Okay, so we already have marshmallow and butter melted together here, and then we're gonna add in a little bit of salt and a little bit of vanilla here, and we're gonna add in some red food coloring to dye these pink.
Do you have a favorite type? That's a gel type I haven't used before.
This is a gel type. It's just, you know, inexpensive
like.
from you know, Smith's or Walmart. And then we're gonna add in the marshmallow cream here. So we're gonna mix in the marshmallow cream. You don't want it to completely melt in there, and it doesn't need to be completely smooth. It just needs to be kind of mostly mixed together so that it's in there and really goes in with the cereal when we get in there. So we're just gonna give this a quick mix.
And you said we're going to add extra small marshmallows.
Extra mini
start
marshmallows.
with mini? You start with mini marshmallows though,
I started with mini just because I already had.
Yeah.
That's what I had when I was making these with.
I think they melt easier than the big fatties.
They do. So we've kind of got this. It's still a little lumpy. That's okay. We're going to get the cereal in here, and then we're going to get the mini marshmallows in here too.
So you're saying like your recipe has more marshmallows than you've seen in other recipes?
Yes.
Okay, well
Yes.
I like them gooey. I don't know anyone who really likes them crunchy, so.
I don't either.
The gooier the better.
There's always that oddball out there.
And sometimes mine have turned hard, and I wonder if it's because I'm not putting enough marshmallows in.
Yes, the more marshmallow, the better, you know? And if you want to add more mini marshmallows than what I recommend, go for it, you know?
Would it make it harder to shape? I guess that's my only question.
Yes, so these are, again, because these are kind of a gooier marshmallow, and we are gonna cut these into heart shapes for Valentine's Day. The trick is you really have to let them cool. So we're gonna really push them into the pan, and then we're gonna let them cool. So I already have some done over here that have cooled already, so we can kind of show you how to cut them out. So we're just gonna get these into the pan here.
I can help you hold that.
Yeah, it's a heavy pan.
Yes, and you can make these as like pastel-y or a really deep pink whatever color, right?
There we go. So these ones have already cooled. I made these ones yesterday. So we're just gonna take some heart cookie cutters. You can use big ones, small ones, whatever you like.
Well, what I notice is some of your marshmallows aren't even melted, and it just adds a cute little dimension to it.
That's why we mix in those other little mini marshmallows, because you get lots of extra marshmallow here.
And do you spray those before you try to cut them out, or they don't generally stick?
They don't usually stick.
Nice.
So we've got a couple hearts here. And then what we're gonna do to make them really cute for Valentine's Day is we have some just melted white chocolate. These are just candy melts. And you can get them in pink or red or white or any color you want. And I just melted this in the microwave. I'm gonna use a fork because I like the little drizzle it gives from the little fork tines. And we're just gonna drizzle this over top of the hearts here.
Do you have a favorite candy melt?
Oh, these are just like the Wilton candy melts. Again, you can get them at Target, Walmart, Smith's, anywhere. And then while the chocolate is still wet, we're gonna add some sprinkles. So these are some little
sprinkles make everything better.
Little fun Valentine sprinkles. There's some hearts and X's and O's and little pearls in there.
I love, where's your favorite place to source for sprinkles?
These are actually just from Walmart. They had
Perfect.
so many cute Valentine sprinkles, and so I bought a couple different ones and then just mixed them together to kind of get the perfect mix I wanted.
Oh, that's a good idea. So if you can't find a cute mix, make your own mix.
Exactly. So these ones were super cute because they had little hearts and X's and O's, little, you know, red and pink jimmies. And that's it.
I love it. And the way you're displaying these are so cute. Is this something you like to take to a class party? What's your favorite way to
Yeah, I love to take these to my friends, my neighbors, the girls at the gym who watch my toddler while I work out. So
they're
really fun. And you can package them up in cellophane if you want to make them a little nicer display.
Oh, yeah. As individual
Yes.
gifts. I love it. Okay, where can people find more from you?
You can find all our recipes on our website at infinetaste.com or on Instagram and Facebook at infinetaste.
Okay, these are going to get gobbled in about 2 seconds. Thanks, Alyssa.
Thank you.